Hello everyone, my name is Bernie from the Austrian alternative rock band, The Burning Flags. Over the last few months we built our own in-ear monitoring setup, and I wanted to show you how everything is connected inside the rack, why we built it in the first place, and maybe give you some tips or ideas for your own setup. So let's get started. So we wanted a setup that makes our soundcheck faster and which gives us a consistent in-ear monitoring mix every night. We are not a huge band. We play small clubs, some bigger clubs, some small festivals from time to time. So it had to be reliable. It had to be portable because we drive around with our own band bus. And most of all, it had to be affordable. So we tried out a few different ideas, and this is what we ended up with. It's not the most comfortable talking situation, but it's fine. As you can see, here's our little baby. There's nothing connected yet because I switched the two splitters to the ones from Palmer. So I have to reconnect everything. Every microphone and every instrument on stage is going to these splitters at first. So in this case, we have the kick, snare, toms, vocals, 1, 2, 3, 4, bass, guitars, keys, and so on. So every input has two outputs on the back of the splitter. One output is going directly into our digital mixer. This one is the Allen & Heath QUSB. And this one is only for our in-ear mixes. And the other output is going directly to front of stage. The drums are usually provided by the venue, so we don't always bring our own microphones. And for our own in-ear mix, we only use two microphones anyway. One is the kick drum, and the other one is the so-called WIST microphone. It's a Shure SM57 or a 58 placed above the kick drum, pointing towards the drummer. So you get a balanced sound of the overall drum kit. For us, these two microphones are more than enough. Everyone can quickly adjust their in-ear mix without having to balance the whole drum kit. So the next element in our rack is our Wi-Fi router. Thanks to this Wi-Fi router, we have our own independent Wi-Fi network, and every band member is able to mix their own in-ear mixes with the phone app. Our band leader, singer and guitarist Chris is using this Sennheiser XSW unit for his wireless in-ear mix, and the rest of us is connected via cables. On the back of the rack we have the battery charger. These are for all our in-ear packs. And on top there's the power station where all the other units are connected, and we're able to control the power of the whole rack with just one single button. So here you can see if we are connected to the mixer, we are able to control all of our individual microphones, groups, or instruments. So let's say we want to adjust the kick drum. We double click on drums, and there's the kick, and we can put it down or up, or say we want the lead vocals to be louder. Double click to vocals, and Vox Chris up there, and my vocals way more down. Instruments, guitars, pianos, and so on, and the overall volume of our in-ear mix itself. Yeah, I almost forgot one important thing. This is our snake cable or multi-core cable. It's permanently connected to the outputs of the splitter on the back of our rack, and every output is clearly labeled. So when we arrive at the venue, we hand out this snake cable to the front of house engineer, who connects the outputs to the stage box of the venue without any guessing. I hope this video gave you some ideas for your own in-ear setup. If you have any questions left, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer them. In the future videos, I'll take a closer look to my personal in-ear solution on my pedalboard, maybe some quad codecs presets, and how we organize everything on stage for our live shows. Yeah, if you enjoyed this video, consider giving it a like and subscribing to the channel. It really helps me out and lets me know if you would like to see more content like this. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.